All right, so this is about. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. So I bought this tent from Amazon, and this wasn't the right tent, so I must return it to a DHL. But I'm supposed to print off my receipt, and I don't have a printer, so we're gonna see how this works out.
Oh.
So I had to come here with my interpreter to make sure that we can handle some business.
Let's see how I do.
Let's see how we handle this business.
And also, make note that this was our first time using Amazon out here.
Right. And
So of course we didn't get the Prime. We had to pay for shipping, but
it was like $8.
yeah.
And it got here kind of quick too. It said it's gonna be like it got here probably about 4 days faster than what it should have been here. So that's pretty cool.
And so the DHL is only 2 blocks away from our place, and we just got here.
So let's do this. See.
Está para atrás a Amazon.
Okay.
Pero no, porque no tenemos printer en casa, pero tiene. Do you have the code?
Yeah, I have all this right here. Can I print it? Can we print here? Or can I email it to you? Okay, so they don't print at DHL,
No.
so we have to go to a Mac store 2 blocks away.
2 cuadras y a la derecha. 2 blocks and to the right.
See. Print the receipt or the return label there,
Yes.
and then come back to drop it off.
Okay. Let me figure out how to say this word. Print. Print.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm lost in translation for now, which is weird because I've been taking Duolingo. I think I'm about to hit 200 days like tomorrow.
That's a big lie.
Or maybe I already passed it. I'm not sure.
Impresión.
You got it?
Print. Impresión.
Impression, like an impression.
Yeah, and I couldn't understand it because he was wearing his mask.
Ah, okay.
Impresión.
So yeah, I've been taking it for almost 200 days, and I can read it, but I can't speak it worth a damn yet.
Yet.
Sheesh. It's hard. All right, so it should be an Apple store around here, right?
Did we go down 2 blocks or 1?
We went down 2, I believe.
Oh, I think it's 1.
Let's see.
Namaste. Ugh.
So we have to walk here. Hopefully we can print in here. Tony's Officina.
Okay, so we made it to Tony's Papeleria, and you can make copias, impresiones, and enlargements and images and much more. But so now we are using the email to send what we need to have printed, and now we'll print them. So, Tony Papeleria, it's right next to Super Aquí grocery store. So, it printed way too small. ¿Ya vine? ¿Sí puede hacerlo así? Okay, por favor. Okay, so now we're gonna print them up again because it came up too small, and there's no Wi-Fi here. Take note. So we just went through. So now we have to print that out. So this is like Staples here. Looks pretty, comparable to Staples. Has everything. It's called Tony Papeleria. And it has, all your paper goods. This is good to know. Poster board, craft stuff. Looks like, yeah. And all your printing needs and enlargements and things like that. Okay. So now we got them printed correctly and it only cost 3 pesos. So it looks like 1 peso per page. You have it, babe? Gracias. Hasta luego.
My little filmmaker here. My little China behind the camera. Alright, so now we're back at DHL. Let's see.
Sí, ya agarramos 2 impresiones.
Su nombre y firma,
Okay. You just put your name and sign it on both.
So sign here?
Firma o nombre?
Los dos.
Los dos. Put your name and sign.
Okay.
Big boy talk.
Big boy talk. Sweating. Gracias.
Igualmente.
Oh.
We did it.
Yes, my baby.
We did it.
Our first, shut up. There we go. Our first return. Our first Amazon delivery
Yep.
and return. Grand opening, grand closing.
Yes.
In Playa.
So we did a good job.
You did a good job. I'm just alone for the muscle. I'm lost in translation, y'all. For
No,
real,
you're
for real.
not. You're doing great.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
You're so kind. All right, so that was it. So what did we learn?
We learned a new word. Prints
Yes.
are impresiones, which
Impresiones.
makes sense, like impression.
Impression,
I
yes.
just couldn't understand because he was wearing a mask.
Right.
So we learned a new word. We also learned where to make prints
Right.
out here. So if we stay in this area again, or if we need it again on this trip, we'll go to either the Mac store near Walmart, or we'll go to Tony's Papeleria right by Super Aquí grocery store.
And the pages are 1 peso a page.
Yep,
That's great.
to make prints. So
Yeah.
that's great. And then we went back to DHL. We also discovered a FedEx when we were on our walk back from Super Aquí.
Which is
There's-
down the street.
Yep, on 12th and 20th.
Yeah, 20th.
So
Yeah.
it was an eventful trip.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go back home and have some cerveza and
And make some hamburgers.
what else?
And we're gonna try to mimic the recipe that this bomb bartender made yesterday. He made a bomb drink. Bomb bartender, bomb drink. He made a jamaica margarita. That was loud.
Yeah, it was. Let's do it again. All right, he made a what?
He made a jamaica margarita.
And it
that
was so good.
out of this world.
Delicious. So,
So we looked up a recipe this morning on YouTube,
yep.
and we went to Walmart and bought some jamaica concentrate, some lime, some tequila, and some orange juice, and we're gonna try it.
So
Let you know how it goes.
we'll let you know how it goes. But for now, bye guys.
This is fire. This is so good. I think we just found our drink, and we found some tequila that was like $3 a bottle, and we were like, oh, let's just try it so that we can mix it. It's really good.
Perfect.
Yes. And this cocktail is amazing. Jamaica margarita, y'all. Really good.